Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Emma. Shall we start?
People some lives. Only 12 participants are there, sir.
Emma.
At 11 only start, sir.
Okay. Hey, 303. Please mute yourself. Hello. Anna. Emma. Is it visible, the screen?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Emma.
Visible, sir.
Okay. Last class, what you have discussed? Binary phase diagrams. Emma. First one is isomorphous system. Okay. Then the people are waiting. Hello.
Sir.
ఏమా ఇంకా వస్తానే ఉన్నారుగా? కనపడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Visible ఏనా?
Yes, sir.
Okay Nana. Okay, then we have to start our class. All of you be ready. Okay na. See, last class Just I have to discuss what. See, phase diagrams, phase diagrams classification, binary phase diagrams. Enana, total how many types of binary phase diagrams? Total 7 types we have discussed last class. Enana, one is the isomorphous system. Two components. Isomorphous system means uh, two components are completely soluble in each other in both liquid and solid state, and exist in a single phase for all composition of the light. That is called binary phase system. See, binary means that is isomorphous binary phase diagram. Here, example is that copper or nickel, next gold, silver, germanium, silicon, aluminum oxide, chromium oxide. These are the examples. Next one is the tick-tick system. Tick-tick means two metals completely soluble in liquid state and completely insoluble in solid state. Example is bismuth carbonate. Partially eutectic system. Partially eutectic system is two metals completely soluble. Two metals completely soluble in the liquid state, but only partially soluble in the solid state. That is the partially eutectic. Next one is pertictic system. In this pertictic system reaction, that is the liquid and solid reacts isothermally to form a new solid on cooling. That is pertictic system. Here that invariant reactions can be seen. Liquid plus solid one gives rise new solid. That is monotectic system. In this system, one solid transformed into liquid and solid. Okay. Emma, Sukandar?
సార్ చేద్దాం సార్.
Yes, people are coming Nana, late. Still they are coming. See, last class that is binary isomorphous. That is two elements are completely soluble in a liquid state and solid state to form the one single solid solution. That is example is the copper or nickel. Today we have to discuss about how to draw the phase diagram. Nana, how to draw the phase diagram. First, let us discuss. That is, all of you listen carefully. See, Nana, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
See, here two first binary isomorphous phase diagram. Let us discuss how to draw the phase diagram. See, how to draw the phase diagram means phase diagrams can be drawn using cooling curves. Nana, cooling curves, all of you well known. Last class we have discussed cooling curves. Emma, cooling curves of pure metals and cooling curves of alloys. Here see just if you want to draw the phase diagram, then we have to take the two metals. See here, see that isomorphous means two metals are completely soluble in liquid state and solid state, Nana. Okay, na? Particularly here, two metals we have to take, and then we have to heat up to their melting point temperatures. After reaching the melting point temperature, then the total two metals will be in liquid state. Okay, na? Two metals will be liquid state. See here, first one is the A and B. Two metals we are taking. A is the 100%. Here 100% one, B is the 0%. Okay, na? That is the weight first. Okay, na? Pure. And next one is the you are going this side automatically. That is the A is the 20, B is the A is the 80, B is the 20. Next 60. That is the weight composition. Above these are all are. The time is increasing. Then the see composition is automatically decreasing. See here at this end, that is the B is the 100%, A is the 0. Then like this, that is the at starting and ending, two are the pure metals, and between these two, these all are the Li. Li means enana. Hello.
Mixing of different materials, sir. Like,
See, Nana, see, all of you understand one point, please. Here at the starting here, 100 0. That means the metal A is the pure metal, but this end is the B is the pure. Between this A and B, remaining these two cooling curves are there. That are the Li. That Li. That is the composition. A is the 80, B is the 20. A is the 60, B is the 40. Like this, okay na? Na? Then see these all the cooling curves. How can you get this one? Is by heating. That is the two metals. Then they will reach the up to melting point temperature. Then beyond the melting point temperature, that the two metals will be liquid state. Here this is the melting point temperature, okay na? See the freezing points when you joining, the time is increases. That after reaching the melting point temperature, then we have to cool. That is the solidification will be done. Then here the solidification will not be done spontaneously. That will be done just by slowly cooling. Then it starts at a freezing point. Yes, freezing point is the constant temperature, Ta. Next one is the here T1. Like this. Then when you join here Tb, when you join all the points, then you will get the binary phase diagram. Okay, binary phase diagram. This is the construction of phase diagram. Phase diagrams can be drawn using cooling curves. Cooling curve is drawn between temperature and time. That cooling curve can be drawn in between temperature and time, but that is the phase diagram can be drawn into temperature and weight composition. Here weight composition is there. See here that theory is there, some matter is there. Then I want to read that one. Then you can easily understand. Okay, na. Two metals are completely soluble in the solid state. The type, what the here word, that is the type of solid phase formed will be substitution solid solution. The diagram shows that the series of cooling curves for different alloys in a completely soluble system. The dotted lines the form of phase diagram. The phase diagram plotting between the temperature and composition. That above that see that numbers are there. That is the composition. Okay, na. See here the cooling curves. Pure metals A and B show only horizontal line. Okay, na. A and B only horizontal line. Pure metals, the cooling curve is the horizontal line. Last class I discussed that one. Because beginning at the ending of solidification take place at constant temperature. Okay, beginning means here this one is the beginning. Ending means here this one is the ending. Beginning and ending, that is the cooling curves, that is the constant solidification at a constant temperature. Between these two, beginning and ending, between these all the cooling curves are the Li cooling curves. These cooling curves show two changes in slope. The first break is at temperature T1, which indicates the beginning OD solidification, that is solidification, and lower break at T2 indicates the end of the solidification. Yes, here you see here, Nana, here T1. T1 is starting of solidification. Yes, here. Okay, na. Then here T2, that is the ending of the solidification. Okay, na. Particularly here in this one, that above here solid, that is the this total is the phase diagram. Okay, na. Phase diagram. In this one, the 2 points TA and TB represents the freezing point at two pure metals. That is the TA and TB are the temperatures of the pure metal. Remaining T1, T2 like the T3, T4 and T5, T6 like this. These all are the temperatures of that is the Li series. Okay, na? There is temperature range. The solidification is done at temperature range, but that is pure metal, that solidification process is done at that's constant temperature, some constant temperature. Okay, see here, Nana, when you see this figure, that is the pure A and pure B, the liquid line, see here this total curve amma. Then I hope you are seeing this curve. Nana, hello.
Sir,
Emma,
చెప్పండి
see, are
సార్.
you able to understanding? Emma, is it visible the curve? Binary phase diagram.
సార్
Emma,
సార్ కర్వ్ ఇస్ విజిబుల్ సార్.
okay, Nana. See, okay, Nana. Okay. The liquid line here, liquid line. Next, solid line. Next one is the two phases that between these two. Okay, na. First of all, liquid line is the upper line. See, Nana, liquid line is the upper line showing the beginning of solidification. See here, upper curve. Okay, na, that upper line, this total is the that is the liquid line. Okay, na, that is the beginning of the solidification. That is the solidus line. Solidus line is the lower line showing the end of the solidification. Here see here, that is the lower line, lower curve, that is the solidus line. This is the end of the solidification. Next, between the solidus and the liquidus lines, there exists a two phase region. Here exists two phase region. Okay, na, that is the solid plus liquid. Two phase region does not give any information, yes, regarding the mixture. Yes, in order to determine the two phase does not give any information, okay, na. Yes, then in order to determine this information, it is necessary to apply the here few rules are there. That is the two rules. That is lever rule is there. Lever rule is there. See here, Nana, please all of you understand this one. Chemical composition of phases, Nana. Chemical composition of phases. Next, rule 2. Rule 1 is the chemical composition of phases. Next one is the rule 2 is the relative amount of each phases. Okay, na, relative amount of each phases. See, particularly above the curve, already you have understood that one. Just if you want to find out the how much amount of phases are present in the system, see, just we have to draw the one line, horizontal line. See, to determine the actual chemical composition of phases of an alloy in equilibrium at any specified temperature, any temperature, randomly, just any temperature, just we have to draw the one tie line, just like this. Okay, na. Tie line, that is tie line, that is, see, the phases of alloy in equilibrium at any specified temperature in two phase region, draw horizontal line called tie line. Tie line. See here, Nana. Draw the tie line MO. See, Nana. Just between these two curve, one line is there. The line is the MO. Okay, na. It touches the solid line and liquidous line, solid line. Okay, na. That is point M is the intersection of the tie line with the solidus line. When dropped to the baseline, just from the M, draw the horizontal line. That composition is the 10% here. Next, next one is the similarly point O, when dropped to baseline, you will give the composition of the other phases consisting the mixture in the liquid solution of the composition. Here see, this one is the 26%. That is the that is the N. Between this one is the N. Then we have taken the point just 20. Okay, na? That is the liquid plus solid. That one is. Next one is the here rule 2 is the relative amount of each phases. Relative amount of each phases. To determine the relative amounts of the two phases in equilibrium at a specified temperature in a two phase region, a vertical line representing the Li and horizontal line. See, vertical line is representing the Li and horizontal temperature line to the boundaries of the field. Okay, then vertical line will divide the horizontal line into two parts whose lengths are inversely proportional to the amount of the phases present. This is known as the Lever rule. Nana, Lever rule is, see, all of you understand here. See, one horizontal line is the MO is there. Then between one vertical line we have drawn. That vertical line divides the horizontal line two portions. That is the MN and that is the NO. Here see, the vertical line divides the horizontal line in two parts whose lengths are inversely proportional to amount of the amount of phases present. This is known as Lever rule. Nana, the rule may express mathematically. See, Nana, here liquid what is the amount of the liquid present in this between this region? That is a total solid portion. This side is the solid portion. Mn by total is the MO into 100. Next one is the what is the amount of the solid phase is that is MO by total length is the MO into 100. This is the total Lever rule. Nana, Lever rule. Then you can find out the amount of each pages, relative amount of each pages. Okay, na? Hello.
Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Unnara leda?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, that is the phase diagram. That is the binary isomorphous phase diagram. That construction we have discussed so far. Then example I want to show you. That is, see, Nana, here also same. That is the time temperature, that is cooling curve. From the cooling curve we have drawn the that is the phase diagram isomorphous. Okay, na? See, already you have seen the above line is the liquidous line, below the solidus line. Between these two, that is liquid plus solid. Nana, okay, na? Between these two lines is the solid plus liquid. Emma, are you able to understanding this one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shouldn't me, just all of you understand, particularly this one. Okay, na? This is the phase diagram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Binary phase diagram. Construction already I have shown each and every point. Emma, then I explained that one. Here one just same figure, just clearly just I am showing you. See here, all of you. Here two elements. that is Emma, that is melting point A, melting point B. Okay na? Then behind the melting point, if you heat this one, then total is the liquid. Above this one is the liquid line amma, liquid as sama, total liquid yellow. Okay na? Then when you start cooling, what will be happen? That is Emma, the temperature is the decreases automatically. Emma, ఏమవుతుంది టెంపరేచర్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంటే కూల్ అవుతా ఉంటది. ఓకేనా? లిక్విడ్ అల్లా జస్ట్ ఫ్రీజింగ్, దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ సాలిడ్ అమ్మా. ఓకేనా? సాలిడ్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ బికమింగ్ సాలిడ్ అమ్మా. సి ద టెంపరేచర్ ఇస్ డిక్రీజింగ్ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ రీజన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద లిక్విడ్ ప్లస్ సాలిడ్. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, yes, above line, that is the liquidous line, that is the solidification starts. Then here see at A, the solidification starts, at B1 the solidification ends. Emma, at A2 solidification starts, B2 solidification end. Above is the liquidous, below is the solidus, between liquid plus solid. Okay na? Yes, here this one is the binary phase diagram. Yes, the below is, here is the weight composition, A and B weight compositions. Okay na? Enana?
Okay, sir.
Three phases, that is the three phases. What are the phases can be identified in this phase diagram?
Liquid is solid plus liquid, solid, sir.
Total three phases. One is the liquid. Liquid is the above portion amma. Liquid is the above portion. Okay na?
Sir.
ఏమా ఇంకా వస్తున్నారండి అయ్యా? ఓకేనా? వీళ్ళని నేను ఇట్లా అడ్మిట్ చేయడం సరిపోతుంది. చూడమ్మా, హియర్ త్రీ phases, liquid, solid plus liquid and solid. Solid means alpha, just we are taking. Okay, liquid line separate the liquid from the liquid plus solid. Solid line separate the solid from liquid. The example is the example isomorphous copper nickel. Okay na? Both are completely soluble. Okay na? Both copper or nickel completely soluble in liquid state, completely soluble in solid state. The crystal structure is the FCC. Here similar same radius and electronegativity also. See, this one is the all of you see here one phase diagram is there, that is the copper nickel copper here copper is, see all of you, copper is pure, that is 100%. Here nickel is the 100% okay na? See, copper melting point temperature is how much copper melting point temperature? 1085.
Yes, sir.
Okay, copper melting point temperature. Here nickel melting point temperature 1453. Okay na? Just these two metals we have to take it pure metals Yet here the copper is the pure, this end is the nickel is the pure. Okay na? Nickel is the pure. Okay, then what is how the process will run? Just how to draw the phase diagram is before just I have explained. Then what you have to do? Then we have to heat the two elements above the melting point temperature. Above the melting point temperature until it becomes the liquid. Then we have to see. Then after completing the two metals becoming one liquid two are completely soluble in liquid state. Okay na? Two metals are completely soluble, should be completely soluble in liquid. Then we have to start the cooling cooling means to decrease the temperature. Advainda? Cooling means to decrease the temperature. If you reduce the temperature, automatically what will be happen? That is the solidification will start. above one figure. See here నేను చెప్పాను మీకు. See solidification starts at A, begins and ends at B1. ఇట్లా ఇక్కడ కూడా the same way in this one also solidification starts at, if you draw the few lines, solidification starts at one point, ends at one point amma below curve. Okay na, like this. Okay Emma, the total solidification process is happened in this one amma. Particularly the above region, that is the total liquid. Okay na, in this one, that is the above region total is the liquid, that is the liquidous line. Below one is the solidus line. Solidus line. Between this one is the liquid plus solid. Liquid plus solid, that is the alpha. See interpretation of binary phase diagram. See few points here. Just I want to explain. For a given temperature and composition, we can use phase diagram to determine. Okay, first one is the the phases that are present. First one is the phases that are present. Hey, please mute your cell phones. 63. Mute. All of you mute your cell phones, please. See here, Nana. First one is the interpretation of a binary phase diagram. For given temperature and composition, we can use that phase diagram to determine. First one is the phases that are present. How many phases are present? Liquid, solid plus liquid, solid. Okay na? Yes, that are the first phases. Composition of each phase. Composition. Then we have to find. Next one is the relative fractions of the phases we have to find. Finding the composition in a two-phase region. That is, first one is the locate composition and temperature in the diagram. Okay, first locate the one temperature. Just we have to take one temperature, draw the one horizontal line in previous one. Just I explained. Okay na. The second is in two-phase region, draw the one tie line or isotherm. Note the intersection with phase boundaries. Next one is the lever rule. Lever rule is finding the amount of phases in two phases region. Locate the composition and temperature in diagram. First one is the two phase region, draw the a tie line and isotherm. Okay na. Next, the fraction of each phase is determined by taking the length of the tie line to the phase boundary for the other phase, and by dividing the total length of tie line. The lever rule is mathematical analogy to the mass balance calculation. Okay na. See here, then a tie line in the two phase region is the analogous the lever rule balance or fulcrum. Derivation of the lever rule, then weight alpha plus weight liquid, that is the solid plus liquid, is must be one phase or the other just equal to 1. The mass of the components, and see mass of the component in that is present in both phases equal to the mass of the component in one phase and mass of the component in the second phase. That is the C mass is here W alpha, C alpha, that this one WL CL is equal to C naught. The solution of this equations gives us the lever rule, that is the WL is equal to that is C alpha minus C naught, that is C alpha minus CL. Next one is the W alpha is equal to C naught. This is the lever rule. Already lever rule in previous one, just I explained the lever rule. Okay, this is the total binary phase diagram. Binary phase diagram. Okay, next one is the next one is first. This is the basic, that is the diagram is the binary phase diagram. Second one is the eutectic system. Eutectic system. Okay, eutectic system. See, eutectic system means already I explained, that is the eutectic system. Two metals completely soluble in the liquid state and completely insoluble in the solid state. Okay, na, is it right? Yes. Here, the two solids, the two metals, completely soluble in liquid. Compulsory that it should be completely soluble in liquid. Next, completely insoluble in solid state. If the two metals are not completely soluble in solid states, there may be some solid phases will be formed. Solid phases will be formed. Different solid phases. Okay, na? That is the euctic system. Euctic system. See, then how to draw the euctic phase diagram? That also you can drawn by using cooling curve. See, here in the same way, what we have discussed. Nana, hey Babu, you can there?
Sir.
Binary phase diagram. Second one we are discussing. First one is the isomorphous binary phase diagram. We have discussed isomorphous. Yama, isomorphous means, hey Babu, yeah, two metals completely soluble in
Soluble.
completely soluble in liquid and solid also, solid state. That is the binary isomorphous, nana. Okay, na? Here, that is the isomorphous phase diagram. Here, this one is the euctic phase diagram. Euctic phase diagram. In the same way, then how we have drawn previous one. Here also, just to we have to take two pure metals, A and B. Two pure metals we have to take it. That is the first here. One is the A. Here A is the 100% solid. That is the other end is the B is the 100% solid. Between see somebody is. Nana, see Nana here two pure metals between here, that is the Li's are there. Li's here the temperature is the partially euctic. See how the temperature range is there. See Nana, see 80% to 20%. This one is the Li. That is the solidification starts at one point. Solidification starts at one point and end at one point. All the process solidification starts at one point. See, solidification starts at one point T1 and ends at E. Okay, na E. Here also solidification starts and ends at E. That temperature is the euctic temperature. That is the TE at constant temperature. At the temperature, constant temperature, the total liquid change it to solid phase one temperature, that is euctic temperature. When you see, then you can understand this one cooling curves of series of alloys. Two metals are insoluble in solid state. That's why it has happened like this, I hope. Okay, na? See all that see allies. Ending, starting is one point is there, ending is common point, that is E. That is the euctic temperature. Okay, na? Hello.
Okay, sir.
I hope all of you understood. See, all of you, observe the difference between previous one and this one phase diagram. Previous one means all the curves are joined at ends. Finally, two ends are there. Here, particularly one end, just all the points meet at one end. That point is E. Okay, na? Next one is see here. That is the cooling curves for the pure metals A and B show a single horizontal line at their fusing points as B is added to A, the temperature for the beginning of solidification is lowered. As A is added to B, the temperature for the beginning of the solidification for Li is lowered. Therefore, since each metal lowers the freezing point of the other, that is the line connecting the points showing the beginning of solidification, the liquidus line must show minimum. Yes, this is, see, this shows the by the upper dotted line in the above figure shows the minimum at a minimum temperature. Minimum at point E is known as the critic point for composition 40A 60B. It can be seen that over a wide range of composition, a portion of the cooling curve that shows the end of the solidification occurs at the fixed temperature. End of the solidification, that is the end of the solidification means here, that is the end of the solidification done at E, okay na, that fixed temperature. The lower horizontal line at TE shows shown dotted in the above figure is known as euctic temperature. In one Li, the euctic composition 40A 60B complete solidification occurs at a single composition, the euctic temperature. Okay, this is the total euctic phase diagram. Okay na? See,
Yes,
Nana?
sir.
Nana?
Sir.
Euctic Nana phase diagram can draw like this. Shodnama. Okay, here clearly given the euctic phase diagram, that is two metals A and B. Nana? Two metals A and B at M. At M is the melting point of A. At N the melting point of B. Okay na? Above that M, above N, the total will be liquid solution. Emma, liquid solution. See all of you. Hello.
Sir. Seeing, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా? Are you
Sir.
able to understanding?
Yes, sir.
చూడండి
Phase
Emma,
diagram, sir. Euctic
see
phase diagram.
euctic phase diagram, Nana, MEN. This is the one curve. That curve is Nana above that curve above portion is the liquid solution. Okay na? That above portion total is the above the melting point temperature of two elements, two metals, A and B. Okay. Okay na? This
Yes,
one
sir.
is the liquidus line. The MEN is the liquidus line. Okay na? How to draw this one is already previous slide I have shown. Okay na? ఎట్లా డ్రా చేయగలం అంటే ఈ విధంగా ఆ కర్వ్ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? లో హౌ కెన్ యూ గెట్ దట్ కర్వ్? Emma, we got the curve from cooling curves.
Sir.
Emma, cooling curve.
Cooling curve.
Okay na? A phase diagram can be drawn using
Cooling curves.
Emma, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
చెప్పానా చెప్పలేదు? అది కూలింగ్ కర్వ్ నుంచి డ్రా
చెప్పాను,
చేస్తామని.
చెప్పాను, sir.
అది చూడండి, ఈ కూలింగ్ కర్వ్స్ ఇట్లా ఉన్నాయి, పార్షియలీ యుక్టిక్. ఏమా ఇది చూడండి, యుక్టిక్ ఇట్లా ఇట్లా ఉంటాయి అమ్మా, చూడండి కూలింగ్ కర్వ్స్. అదే బైనరీ ఐసోమర్పస్ కి జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్ టెంపరేచర్ ఉండదు, డిఫరెంట్ రేంజ్ ఉంటది. ఓకే, డిఫరెన్స్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
దిస్ ఇస్ ద కూలింగ్ కర్వ్ ఆఫ్ యుక్టిక్. In this one, that is you can easily understand how to explain this process, how to change the phases. మన ఫస్ట్ నానా జస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ డ్రా వన్ లైన్, నానా ఇక్కడ చూడండి, వన్ డాటెడ్ లైన్ I have drawn. ఏమా డాటెడ్ లైన్ here the temperature T1, నానా temperature T1, at temperature T1 that is the solution is the liquid. ఏమా liquid. Okay, then when you decrease the temperature, okay na, the temperature is lowering, then automatically what will be happen? Emma,
Form to solid, sir.
that is the solidification starts at T1. Just when it is crossed this curve, automatically that is freezing will be started, Emma. That is liquid plus solid. Okay, liquid plus solid region, when it reached here, then it becomes the total is liquid solid when it reached that is the eutectic temperature. Eutectic temperature is temperature Te. Okay na, when it is crossed that is the temperature line, then total will be what is it, that is the solid. Okay na, solid, that is the solid one. This side is the in the same way, if you draw the that is the melting point B side also, here this side B metal side, here also at the starting here we will get the T nana T2 suppose, then it reaches the here it touches the eutectic temperature line, that is we will get the Te. Then when it is crossed, that is the eutectic point, then you will get the solid B. Solid B here at a point, eutectic point, that is the solid A plus solid B. This is the eutectic mixture. It may call as eutectic mixture. Okay na. మీ దాంట్లో భవిక్ ఢిల్లీ చందు ఉన్నాడా?
ఎవరు లేదు సార్, ఆయన సార్ అనుకుంటా సార్, అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకోవడానికి వచ్చినట్టు.
సారా?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎందుకంటే చందు అని చాలా సార్ వచ్చారు సార్. సార్
ఓకే ఓకే సరే ఓకే ఓకే. హలో ఏనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
హలో హలో
సార్.
Nana, have you understood this one?
Yes sir, understood sir.
This one is the eutectic phase diagram. Eutectic phase diagram. Okay na?
Sir.
Yes, in eutectic phase diagram, the different phases, different phases has been occurred. Particularly, that is the liquid, solid, liquid plus solid, solid plus solid also. Okay na? Different phases we have seen. Okay. See, then when you see this matter, then you can easily understand that is the melting point of two pure metals. Points M and N are plotted on vertical lines that represents the pure metals A and B. For an alloy having composition 80 A and 20 B, the point showing the beginning of solidification T1. At the end of the solidification, TE are plotted shown. Here 2080, just we have drawn one line. Okay na? At T1 is the solidification begins, at TE solidification ends. Okay na? That is telling the matter. Okay, the same procedure is followed for all other alloys. The upper lines on the phase diagram connecting the points MEN is the liquidous line and shows the beginning of the solidification. Malli avaru vachara? See, now the time is only 5 minutes are left. Yama,
Yes,
then I want to close that section. Just all of you see, observe, understand this one. The point at which liquid line intersect, the minimum point E is known as the eutectic point. TE is called eutectic temperature, and that is the 40% A, 60% B eutectic composition. As a solidus line is a continuous line connecting the melting points of pure metals, and the complete solidus line is a MFGN. MFGN. See that is solidification. See MF. See M here M, here F, E, that is the GM. This is that is the solidification, that is solidus line. Okay na, that is the solidus line. Okay, here that is the phase diagram consists of 4 regions. Here also the phase diagram consists of 4 regions. The area above the liquidus line is the single phase homogeneous liquid solution. Since two metals are completely soluble in liquid state, okay, Yes, the remaining three phases are two phase areas, amma. Remaining areas are two phase areas. Every two phase area on the phase diagram must be bounded along the horizontal line by single phases. Thus, if single phases are labeled first, then the two phase areas may be easily determined. Okay, na? To determine the phases that exist in two phase region, MFE, in the above diagram, a horizontal tie line OL is drawn. Okay, na? See, in the same way what you have discussed in previous one, here see, in this diagram just lines are drawn, and that is 1 2 3, how the phases are changing. Okay, na? Then let us discuss next class the how the phases are changes. See, first is the liquid, next one is the liquid plus solid, next one also liquid is less and solid is more, finally total will be solid. Okay, na? Finally
Okay,
will
sir.
be solid, like this, that the phase composition. Okay, na? At Li1, see, Li1 is the here, Li1, Li2, Li3, in the same way. At C, Li2 point A, point 1 is there. Here this is a total liquid, and that is the 2.2. Here that is a liquid plus solid. Just liquid is more. Point 3, point 3 is the solid is more, more liquid is less. At point 4, 5, here is the solid is total entire the phase is the solid. These are the microstructures of alloys, nana. Microstructures of alloys. Then we will discuss remaining next class. See,
Sir.
like this, nana, like this. చూడండి, your example is the bismuth cadmium. ఎట్లా ఉండదు చూడండి అమ్మా, మీకు ఈజీగా, then we can easily understand about the liquid plus solid. చూడండి ఏ విధంగా ఫామ్ అయినాయో. ఓకేనా? This is the
Okay,
total
sir.
phase diagram summa. Okay, na? That is the tick. Then next class I will explain one more diagram. Then I am going to take attendance. All of you be
Yes, sir.
ready. All of you raise your hands. Chandra sir.
సార్ కేఆర్కే సార్ కేఆర్కే సార్ నేను ఆల్రెడీ
చెప్పండి.
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసాను, మీకు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను సార్ నేను.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయకలు, మీరు అటెండెన్స్ వేస్తున్నారు గేటు.
అటువంటి ఇది నేను మాట్లాడతాను సార్, మీకు ప్రైవేట్ కాల్ నేను చేస్తాను సార్ మళ్ళీ.
ఓకే, సరే, ఓకే సార్. అయితే జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ క్లోజింగ్ ద సెక్షన్. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
హలో బాబు,
Okay.
యుగంధర్.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next class I will discuss another phase diagram. Just all of you be prepared the phase diagram chapter sama. Already previous chapter is the crystal structures also. Okay na? Just all of
Okay,
you
sir.
prepare. Okay na? I have sent the textbook and I will send this phase diagrams also. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Phase diagrams PPT also. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
If you have any doubts, please call me, then I will rectify your doubts.
Okay,
Okay
sir.
na?
Thanks, sir.
Okay.